The structure composition of light-burning magnesium ball press. The main engine of the light-burning magnesium ball press is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through a belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. The drive shaft and the passive shaft run synchronously through the open gear. A hydraulic device is installed behind the passive bearing seat. The hydraulic pump drives high-pressure oil into the hydraulic cylinder, making the piston produce axial displacement. The front joint head of the piston rod is on the bearing seat to meet production pressure requirements. When the feed between the two rollers is too much or enters the metal block, the hydraulic cylinder piston rod is overloaded. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The relief valve is opened and the oil is returned. The piston rod is shifted so that the gap between the rollers is increased so that the hard object passes through the press roll. The system pressure is restored to normal and the press roll can be protected from damage. The machine can adjust the pressure according to the requirements of ball density. Flexible production.